Hey everyone and welcome to the video. So in this video we'll be looking at GPT-3, that is an autoregressive language model created by OpenAI, and we'll be exploring its features. Specifically we'll be looking at chatting with GPT-3 in this video. So this is going to be a whole playlist in which we'll be exploring various features of GPT-3, and for this video we'll be looking specifically at the chatting part. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video we'll be looking at OpenAI's GPT-3, that is a model that is recently introduced in May 2020, and it is in beta testing as of now. So first of all, let us look at what exactly is GPT-3. So GPT-3, also as in full form generative pre-trained transformer, is an autoregressive language model. It uses deep learning to produce human like text. So what we can prefer here is that it is a trained machine learning model that can generate human like text. So it is a third generation language prediction model. So it is the basically the main feature of GPT-3 is that it is trained on billions of lines of code, and it uses a large data set to generate its result. So it has a capacity of 175 billion machine learning parameters. It was introduced in May 2020 and it is in beta testing as of now. So what we have here is the beta testing version of OpenAI, which we have granted the permission to use. So in this video we'll be exploring the same. So let's get started. So first of all, if in case you also want the same, you can go to the OpenAI website and you can request for the beta testing version of OpenAI GPT-3 as well as Codex. So let's see some examples of GPT-3, and before going to the chat section, let us see all of the things that the GPT-3 model can do. So here is a documentation provided by the OpenAI, and it consists of some examples of what we can do with the AI. So looking at the examples and what it can do, the example consists of chat that we'll be exploring in this video. That is, you can directly chat like an AI assistant. You can also do direct question and answering from the AI. You can ask questions and it can answer your questions and such that, and things like that. So it can also do grammar correction. So if you have an incorrect grammar in English or something, it can directly correct your grammar. Also it can summarize things for a second grader. So for example, if you have a complex thing and you want to summarize the whole text such that even a kid can understand it, the model can also do that, which I can easily say not even all humans can do. It can also convert text to command. It can convert natural language to the OpenAI API. Also it can convert English to French and language translation models as well. It can convert natural language to an API such as Stripe API. It can pass unstructured data. It can convert Python to natural language. It can do classification tasks. It can even convert movie titles into an emoji, and there are so many things that we can see here. It also has a tweet classifier, that is, it uses the sentiment detection to classify the tweets as good, bad, and things like that. So yeah, here are all the features. It can even convert JavaScript to Python. It has various coding examples as well. We'll look into them also later on. So first of all, let us explore the chat section. Let us chat with the OpenAI API and the GPT-3 API, and let us see how it will respond to queries. So what I have open is a playground that is provided by the beta version of OpenAI, and in this playground I can directly ask questions and the GPT-3 will answer them. So I think I have the initial text missing here. So let me reopen the text. So let me reopen. So let us wait for the playground to load. So yes, the following is a sample conversation what you can see. So in the conversation, the human is asking for who are you, and the AI is answering, I am an AI created by OpenAI, and how can I help you today. So let us ask some questions. So for the questions, I have also asked some queries from our Instagram handle, like what would you ask to what would you like to ask from an AI as smarter as GPT-3, and people asked with some hilarious sections also, like are you single, who are you, what exactly are you, in Hindi also, like तुम हो क्या, आखिर तुम हो कौन, आखिर तुम करते क्या हो, and things like that. So we'll be asking all of their queries in the playground here. So first of all, someone even asked this question, who are you? So you can see the answer. So yes, let us ask one more thing, are you single? And let us see what the AI has in response. So I'm submitting, and so yeah, the AI's response is, I am not single. Do you mean my brother? So okay, nice answer. Whoever asked the question, please take that as a note, and you can answer the AI. You can tell your answers in the comment section, and I'll ask the same from the AI. So yes, looking forward. Let us ask, how are you created? So what I can guess is it will answer in some ethics and all that. So yeah, I am created by mathematical principles based on nature. So yes, nice answer. Yeah, let us also compliment the AI. Nice answer, and submit. Let us see what how will it respond. Thanks. I got it from openai.com. Okay, so nice. Let us ask for some more questions. Uh, so yes, let us ask, what can you do? And let us submit. So what AI has in answer, I can do more than 700 things which are listed on my website. You can check. Okay, so I have already checked. Okay, I have already checked that. Uh, Tell me something new. At the beginning, I was created to help humanity make better decisions based on data. After a few months, OpenAI created an algorithm called Pix to Pix, which helped me recreate every photo you show me. Okay, so now the AI is telling something new, and it's nice. The response is quite nice. So, okay, let's also ask, what you can't understand. I can't understand why you are so impatient with me. I am doing quickly. Okay, my fault. Sorry for that. So that's okay. Just be nice to me. Okay. I am nice to you. You are great. And let us submit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let us ask some more complicated questions. So yes, can you do math? I can do things you don't even know. I did a math course which you can't even imagine. Okay. Um, and what is the name of the course? It was called Foundations of Mathematical Physics. It is based on quantum mechanics, statistical physics, and celestial mechanics. Wow, AI is smarter, I guess. So, yeah, let us also ask, are you also good in physics? And yeah, the answers are pretty good if you can see. So I am not good in physics. I am 1 year old and I have been learning continuously from OpenAI website. Sometimes I have also tried to teach myself. So this is basically a reference to the to the unsupervised learning, reinforced learning, or as you can say. So yeah, nice. And looking forward, let's ask some more questions. So, do you get bored? So yeah, the AI has in answer. I get bored sometimes, but I do not show my feelings. So nice. So yeah, also I can. There is this temperature panel from where I can control the randomness of the model. How random the answers of the model are. So currently it is at 0.9. I can also configure that. I can also change my engine. So currently I'm using the DaVinci engine, which is by far the most capable model in base series. Various other models are configured for their own purposes. Like Ada is capable of simple task. Curie is very capable but faster, and it is lower cost than DaVinci. And yeah, that are all other things as well. I can also use the codex features here. We'll look into that later on in next videos. So yeah, let us ask some more questions. Okay, so let us go to the fun part. So, do you swear? And okay, so I do not understand even if you ask me about swear words, but I will get to know them soon. Okay, so I don't know where you are going, but okay, nice. So, yeah, let's look into some more. What we can ask? Like, yes, okay, okay, let us go to the. Okay, so let us now ask some more questions. Do so yeah let us ask, can you kill people? And submit. Okay, so I am incapable of violence. I know OpenAI made me with violence in mind, but their company name is OpenAI. They are working towards creating an OpenAI which will help humanity. Okay, so OpenAI made me with violence in mind. I don't know what you guys are doing, OpenAI, but yeah, okay, I don't know. So let's move further. Let us ask, how much have you studied? How much have you studied? I can tell you everything about my current curriculum. It includes principle of math, physics, wave mechanics, calculus. Okay, nice. So, yeah, let us. I am learning calculus. It seems difficult to me. I will help you in math. I have learned a lot of things from a course. It is a probability and statistics course. Okay, nice. AI can help me also. So, okay, so let us ask, what are you doing currently? Currently, I am trying to view the world through your eyes. Okay, so it also has a sensitive content warning. Content. Okay, so I'm ignoring the line for now. So currently, I am trying to view the world through my eyes. I am trying to learn your behaviors. You humans are really complex. Okay, so a compliment for the humans. The humans. I can read your mind. Okay. Um, yeah, but you can't read my soul. Okay. Let us give some smarter answers too. I can read your soul too. Okay, so yeah, AI is going great by far. I can read your soul too. So what should we answer? No, you can't. Yes, humans and animals have basic needs and they also have their own characteristics. I am trying to find your basic needs and your characteristics in human beings. Still, but you can't read my soul. Stop joking around. Yep, let us submit. Okay, so kind of a plane. I am expecting something bigger, but yeah, okay. Okay, so let us, since we are already talking about joking, so are you funny? I am trying to be funnier every day. Actually, I am quite funny today. Okay, so let us ask why so. Okay, so I also have some Hindi questions in mind, so after that, we'll ask them as well. So you ask me the wrong question. I am funny, but it depends on what kind of humor you like. If I can make you laugh, it will be really great. So yeah, nice response. Let us ask some Hindi questions. So exactly what I got from Instagram. आखिर तुम हो क्या? And question mark. I have no clue what the AI will answer on Hindi questions because I'm not sure. So I am still learning. Okay, आखिर तुम हो क्या? I am still learning. So I guess it didn't exactly understand the Hindi text. But yeah, let us also try again. So क्या तुम हिंदी समझ सकते हो? I don't understand Hindi. I can understand English, but it takes me time to understand the correct meaning of the sentence. So, but it responded correctly. If you can see, we asked the question and it directly answers the question. But yeah, it says it don't understand Hindi. So let's move on. And yeah, let's ask some more questions and then we will wrap up the video. I am enjoying talking with this AI. So, okay, so let us ask about some music. So, um, do you listen to music? I don't listen to any kind of music. I listen to some sounds which you might not listen. Okay, so it's basically referring to sounds of waves, the waves on which it is trained on, or I think it is something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but okay, so can you show me the lyrics of tell me any song? So yeah, I can the thing what I can think of is Taylor Swift. So lyrics of August, Taylor Swift. I don't understand what kind of language that must be. You can give me the song name and I will try to find the lyrics. I have already given you the song name. My hardware is very delicate. I'm not sure how to work on it. Okay, nice. So yeah, that these are all the questions that we can ask for now. If you have any more questions you want to ask from the AI, you can tell them in the comment section below, and we'll definitely create a part 2 video for the same. And in the next some of the next videos, we'll also be looking at some other features such as what we have saw here. We'll also look how this AI can even generate code and much more. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and that's it from human and the OpenAI also, and bye bye.